Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and I've got a little unboxing, unbagging, reveal, show and tell, thingy, yarn review, haul. I think I've covered them all. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. You'll be informed when new videos pop up. And this one could just be like a rewind of my previous yarn haul, because I will confess I made a bit of a boo-boo. I put all this stuff in my box and then I went away and I probably got two sign-ins, and then I ordered it, and then when I went back onto my other computer it said I ordered this stuff in my box, so I added to it and then I ordered it. So it could just be a complete repeat. In a way, I'm hoping that there's more of this in there. I don't think there will be. Now, this is the Lion Brown Landscapes that I ordered before. Isn't it adorable? It's just dreamy. I've just made this with it, which is an infinity scarf. And it is super, super chunky, because although this is a 4-weight yarn, the stitch I used has really chunked it up. And I used a nice loose crochet hook as well to make it extra drapey. So this took... I had 4 skeins, and this is what I have left. So it's probably taken 3.5. But they're not got, that is not good English, I'm sorry. They don't have a lot of yardage per skein. That's what I was trying to say. But this is one of my new scarves. I haven't done a tutorial for it. I don't know if you want one. Anyway, let's see if there is any more in said package. I probably have plenty of black yarn, because I believe that is what I ordered. I was doing the order for, because I was making a Christmas project. Now this is interesting. Now I bought this. This is 100% cotton from HobbyCraft, just fabric, 2 meters, and I bought this to line my project. So I'm hoping now that I will... Whoops, my water is about falling off. Luckily it's sealed. I'm hoping that I will have enough time to do this Christmas project, but I'm running out of time. But as you can see, I ordered a lot of black. Right. Oh, and another one of these. So we're hoping to make 2. I'm really just now hoping to make 1. Autumn and Christmas workshop schedule. Oh yes, they had money off their workshops over at HobbyCraft. So Christmas Advent house. Oh, let's have a look. Just put some light on the subject. Not that I really feel like I'll join any of them, but I do have a new acquisition which I will film the unboxing, so some of these workshops might benefit me. So that one starts on the 20th of September. It's a bit old. Well, I guess there's still some going on, because they've got November ones, Christmas clay star, Christmas wreath making, macrame, Christmas baubles, Christmas crackers, soap making. Oh, that's on the 29th of November. I'd quite like to do that. And kids card making, candle making. I used to do that at school. I loved making candles. Christmas fillable decorations. That one's passed. I don't know if they're actually, you know, that's when they're launched, but they're there forevermore and you could join it, or whether that's a one-off, I don't know. I'll have to investigate. Never really done that before, but as you can see, the only yarn that I have actually got is 9 balls, which is an odd number, of black. Did I really order that many? Because I already got loads. Well, you can never have enough black, can you? Really, it goes with so many different projects. It's Women's Institute, and I turned my light off. DK, 100 grams. So, yeah, it's Christmas and I'm ordering just black. Says a lot about my Christmas, doesn't it? Well, actually, no, it's Lovely yarn though. 100% acrylic, but it is premium acrylic. And it is shade K650 black, 250 meters. Really nice yarn this is. Women's Institute. It's exclusive to HobbyCraft, but it is nice. It is nice yarn. And I do use a lot of black, so that's it. So, oh gosh, let's have a look at this. I just glossed past it. So yeah, 100% cotton. So it's 2 by 1.19 meters, 130 GSM. So those of you who make stuff, what's GSM? What's that mean? Mini cotton bolt. Got washing instructions. And what does it say? 30 degrees. Wash with similar colours. Well, I don't think it'll bleed over the colours that I'm using. So yeah, these I just bought really to line, and I wanted it to be something that was not so floppy, and this is kind of a bit on the sturdy side. So yeah, intriguing, huh? Intrigued, are you? Ready for my close-up? I can't. Honestly, so that's it. That's all she got. But you know, it does actually tie in with my previous order, and I'm not too sorry that I ended up with extra black, because I was thinking of making myself a top, and I was hoping to wait until I was a lot thinner, but I might just do it anyway if I ever get the time. That would be something I really want to do. I've got a few designs in my head that have been there for a long time, so I might do them. Anyway, thank you for watching. I know it's a short one, but I didn't go mad, and thank goodness I didn't go mad. But thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.